If you keep hitting Claude's usage limit mid-task, I am going to bet it is not because you are sending too many messages. It is because of a few habits that are bleeding your tokens in the background without you ever noticing. And most people have no idea these are even happening. So today, I'm going to show you 5 things you can change right now that most Claude users have never heard of. So to start off, let's talk about tokens and a common reason people hit the limit. And here's the thing most people never realize. Every time you send a message, Claude does not just read your new message. It rereads the entire conversation from the very beginning. Every message, every reply, every file you uploaded, all of it, before it even gets to your new question. So message 1 might cost you 500 tokens, but by message 30, that same type of message costs 10 times more, just because of everything sitting above it. That is why your limit disappears faster as a session gets longer. So, starting with tip 1, and this one is pretty unknown to people, but when you upload a PDF, Claude reads the text on every page, and it also turns every single page into an image and processes that too. So, you pay twice for the same document. A single page can cost between 1,500 and 3,000 tokens before you have asked anything. A 50-page PDF can eat up to 150,000 tokens just by sitting in the chat. The fix is simple. Convert your PDF to a plain text or markdown file first, and you can drop that same document down to a few thousand tokens. Tip 2. Stop sending 3 separate messages when you could just send 1. Every separate message is a full context reload, which means Claude rereads the entire history 3 times instead of once. So instead of sending "summarize this article," then "list the main points," then "suggest a headline," just combine them into one message. You only need to reload once and get the same result with just a third of the token cost. Tip 3 is specifically for Claude Code users. So there is a file called CLAUDE.md that loads into your session automatically, and whatever is in it costs tokens every single turn, before you have typed a single word. If your CLAUDE.md is 5,000 tokens long, that is 5,000 tokens you are paying at the start of every message, for the entire session. Keep it under 500 tokens, and only put in what Claude actually needs to know. It's like a summary. Tip 4, and this one saves people the most. Most people stay on Opus or Sonnet for their entire session, but you can switch models mid-conversation using the /model command without losing any of your context. The smart move is to use a cheaper model like Haiku for quick lookups and simple edits, and only bump up to Sonnet or Opus when you actually need the heavy lifting. Haiku costs a fraction of Opus and handles simple tasks just as well. This habit alone cut my weekly token use by about 60%. Tip 5. When something is wrong, do not ask Claude to redo the whole thing. Every full redo means Claude regenerates the entire output, which costs output tokens, and then that big output sits in the chat getting reread on every message after it. Instead, point at the exact part that is wrong. Say, only fix the 3rd paragraph, keep everything else. Same result, and you're using maybe a 1/10 of the tokens. Most of the time, people think they need to upgrade their plan, but the real issue is that a handful of habits are actually burning through their limit before they even get to the work that matters. Fix these 5 things and the same plan goes a lot further. I've been using these for a while now, and I genuinely stopped hitting the wall mid-task. If you found one of these you had no idea about, I'd appreciate if you subscribed and leave a like. It really helps me out and this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.